So, it's finally here, Mutias car. Ah, it arrived about a couple of days ago, and we have done a lot of things already. Of course, we cleaned it. It has been sitting for about 6 months, and we made the list. So this is the list. So she's calling her Rosita, the Arosa. So we installed a pump before, and it was an old pump. Now it's broken again, and we did a compression test. Well, unfortunately, the third cylinder is not good. It's leaking. So we're gonna do a leak down test, but need to find my leak down tester. Electrical. So far, it's good. There's nothing serious about it. Just the tail light, the fog lamps. I've done the signal light. Let's remove this. I've done the stereo. Weird that I had to fix the stereo before I fix the car. Because I don't want to be fixing in a quiet environment. So that's done. Body. We already removed the stickers. That's it. So that's, well, we already cleaned the engine bay. Let me show you the engine. So it's very clean. Nicely done with that. So she did it herself. Even the interior, she did it. So, where's the key? She also cleaned the interior. I already dismantled most of the stuff because I checked all the wirings. Ah, the key is here. And of course, the most important, music. So today I'm gonna be changing the hoses because when we tested the fuel pump, it was a long time ago. The one of the reasons why we stopped fixing it because all the hoses were leaking. So I said it's a risk. So we're gonna change it now while we're waiting for the fuel pump because we ordered it online. Buying it in Mosafa is really expensive. And she's gonna be. What are you going to do today?
What are we doing today?
We have decided. She's gonna remove the stickers, and she's gonna remove the moldings, and I'll be doing the hoses. So we'll be back when we're done. Progress report. Moldings are off. She made sure that there's no chance of going back. All the stickers are gone. Oh, you forgot one. Adnok. And for my task, so this is your supply hose, this is your return, and I replaced this vacuum hose, and that's about it. Our prioritization is a little bit odd, weird, so we're fixing the body first, but because the thing is, whether the engine is bad or good, this car needs to go on the road. So either we fix the engine or we change the engine. The body is still going to be fixed, so we might as well fix it on our dead time. So that's it. That's for today. See you in the next one. Peace.